If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video. And today, I'm just going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial. Like, this is a makeup tutorial if you're in a hurry. Because, you know, we all been there, done that. Like, we need to get ready in, like, less than 15 minutes. Like, I'm about to show y'all a, like, quick, less than 15-minute makeup tutorial. But, yeah, y'all, I know y'all miss my Camora Milan. Look at it. She getting so big. See, I'm getting so big. See, I'm a big girl now. I got teeth. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to be moisturizing my face with the Fenty Beauty. And it's great for your face before makeup. It's so great for the skin. And your skin looks so hydrated underneath your foundation. So this is a must. So now I'm just going to be blurring my pores. I'm going to be using the Milk blur stick just to blur out the pores around my nose, on my nose. It's foundation time, new foundation alert. So I'm going to be using the Estée Lauder foundation in the shade 5W2. I do mix it because it is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, just a touch. So I am just going to mix it with my my Maybelline Fit Me 338. I'm just going to like add like a drop just to add a little flav, you know, to my skin. I love this foundation though. I love it. It is super full coverage, but you can make it extra full coverage if you like, you know, keep adding layers. But I just like to add like one layer because I don't like my foundation full coverage. Like I like it medium to full coverage. Or like light to full coverage depending on how my skin's acting, but usually I go for like medium to full coverage. But this is definitely full coverage. You'll definitely like, you see how it just like, look at how flawless my skin looks. Like it looks so flawless. Like so now I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer. One of my favorite concealers in the the shade 475. And this is Tan Deep Sand. I love this concealer so much, y'all. One tip though. I always mix it though with Fawn. But let me tell y'all one tip though. With this concealer, you have to blend right away. Like, you got to blend this right away. Like, because it dries super fast. So you have to blend it right away. To set my face, I'm gonna be using the Airspun setting powder, and the one I use is the translucent extra coverage. I love this one. I love the extra coverage translucent. So I always just make sure that I blend out all the creases under my eyes. Just make sure everything's blended out before I set it, and then I'm gonna set it. bronze, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie. I love this bronzer. Like, I love all Fenty Beauty products. All of them. Every single last bit. So I'm just going to be using that to just bronze, you know, bring that color back to our skin. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and we love you, and I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope it took y'all less than 15 minutes. Let me know if you did. Comment below if it took you less than 15 minutes. Bye. Love y'all. We'll be back.